Okay guys, we just got into Lowe's and here they are. They have two of the animatronics set up. They have a deep sea diver box, deep sea diver box, and they have a haunted captain box right here. So there's that guy, deep sea diver. I like him, but not the price. Here's the deep sea ghost captain.
The wheel crushed by waves, timber groan and wail, grin wide behind haze, we hoist the dead man's sail.
So there's the two right here. Very cool animatronics. But yes, I just wanted to do this quick little store tour. It was Maddox Haunts.